In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn Google Slides into an outline in just 5 minutes. Whether you're preparing for a presentation or organizing your ideas, this quick and easy method will help streamline your workflow. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Google Slides, which you can do by navigating to slides.google.com in your web browser. If you're not already signed into your Google account, go ahead and do so now to access all of your presentations seamlessly. Once you're logged in, you should be on the Google Slides homepage, a homepage where you can see any presentations you've previously worked on. If you're starting from scratch, click on the blank presentation option. Alternatively, if you're revising an existing presentation or you want to start from a template, go ahead and select one that fits your needs. Now that you've got your presentation open, it's time to add some text. At the top of the slide, click on the text box icon or select a pre-existing slide layout that includes text boxes. Enter your headings and key points as you envision them for your outline. Remember, clarity is key here, so be brief but informative. With your text in place, it's time to format it into a coherent outline. You can do this by hitting the Format menu at the top of the screen. Look for options that allow you to adjust the text size, font style and color to make your headings and subheadings stand out. You may also want to consider using bullet points or numbering for a clean, organized look. This step is crucial for transforming the linear format of a slide into a comprehensive outline that highlights the core points you want to convey. Once you're satisfied with how your outline looks, remember that you can always come back and make adjustments. Google Slides saves your work automatically, so feel free to exit out once you're done or continue refining your slides. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to convert your Google Slides presentation into an outline that's easy to read and understand. This method not only helps in creating visually appealing slides, but also makes your content easy to follow during any presentation. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I look forward to seeing how you implement these tips in your next project. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep creating and organizing with ease.